Hello everyone. Welcome to PR Software's YouTube channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss about modern GUI with TTK. Here, I will explain you from the very scratch to advanced GUI layouts concepts. So what we are going to discuss in today's class? So in today's class, I'm going to show you first how to create this basic modern window. And then in the second part, I will tell you that how to create one basic application. Sir, what is there in this application? Suppose imagine if you're going to the doctor or you're going to visit some consultant where they will have some admission number system like token number 1, token number 2, like this it will be there. So we are going to create application like that. Suppose here if I click on the click me, then it will become admission number 2. Means second admission is going on. Like this, it will take the admission. So in a day, you can fix the admission number. So in my software, I have fixed this admission number to type. So if I click more than 10, then it will say me today's appointments completed. So like this, we can create one small basic app by using this one. So let us start how to start with this application. So step number 1, if you want to start, there is one thing you remember. If you are starting with a basic Tkinter which was there in the older version, where you don't need to do the setup anything. But today, as I told you, we are going to learn about modern Bootstrap layouts. So for that reason, what you need to do is, first you need to install this Bootstrap concept. How to install it? So go to the official website of ttkbootstrap.readdocuments.io. This link I will drop in the description, guys. From there you can click. Once you click on this link, you will get this page. On this page, this says you have to copy. Just copy this one. Then step 2, you have to go to the command prompt. So whatever you have copied, just paste it here. Control V, or you can shortcut right click of the mouse, it will come automatically. And then click on enter. When you click on enter, in my system, it will not come as it is, guys, because already I installed, but you will get the installation progress and you will get after a few minutes, it is got installed successfully. So like this, you can install this command, guys. I hope it is very clear with you. After installing this one, now everything got set up. You can start with your PyCharm. So already you are having PyCharm in your system as you are learning the Python. So let us create one new file here. File name will give it my layout 1 because we are learning the first layout. So I am giving here my layout 1. Now here, first I will tell you some basic concepts, guys. Then we will go with this concept. Let me open that layout first. In this layout, what are the things you should remember here is, this welcome to PR software, what we are able to see, this is nothing but, we call it title tag. What we call guys, title. Sir, what is the meaning of title here basically? Title, whenever you want to write, it is nothing but, we have to create the label concept in my PyCharm. So whenever you want to show some title or some text on this blue part, then that is nothing but you have to create the label. How to create that I will tell you. But remember, whenever you want to print any text, for that we have to create what? Label. When you want to create, suppose here, welcome to PR software is one label. This admission number is one label. Now click me. Click me is not label. This is a button. So whichever the part is clickable, that is called button. So in my program, I'm going to use 3 things. 2 labels, 1 button. How to create and all, that I will show you practically, but you should remember basically this concept. Second, on the top, you are able to see here PR software. This is nothing but a title. Whatever the title you want to give for your layouts, that is nothing but we will use your title function. In bracket, whatever you write, it will get printed. Suppose I wrote here as per the program, PR software. So it will get printed as PR software. So how to print and all? Practical edition. So title means top bar, guys, and label means inside whatever the text you want to print. Clickable, if you want anything, you have to use what? Button. So I hope up to here very clear with you. Let us start with the concept. Let me close this all the part, and as I have created this layout, I will start in this layout. So the first and very important thing, as you are learning the Python, so you guys are aware that whenever we are using any predefined code, So that code where it is stored, that models we are using Python. So for this Tkinter concept, we should use the three models. That is from Tkinter, import, star. And guys, if you're getting any error here, it means you are not done that pip installation command prompt. So make sure you are done, then only you are coming to here. Step number 2, you have to import here ttk bootstrap dot constants import star. Sir, what is the purpose and all? Everything we are going to discuss practically when I will start with coding part, actual coding. So just we are importing this ttk bootstrap as, now here you can give alias name. So I'm giving shortcut as TB. That is nothing but ttk bootstrap. You can give any name. So whenever you want to start any GUI layout, you should import this. Okay. Now everything is working or not, sir, properly. How can I check? So very important thing you should remember is you should create one variable to work with my layouts. So root is equals to tv dot window in bracket. You have to write here theme name. So now we get a question. So what is my theme name? How I should get this theme name? So no need to worry. Always remember this link will be very important, which I will give in the description. So when you click on this link, then here you are having option called themes. Click on the themes. Now here there are different types of themes are there. Light means in the white color it will be, and dark means it will be in the different colors. So let us see. So if I give solar, you will get this green, like we done with green mix background, you will get it. Superhero means this background. Compared to this one, it is little bit light. Dark green is completely black. So whatever the background you want, you can copy and paste. Let us say I want superhero. So I will go here and I will write here in the double quotation superhero. So what you have to do, you have to take the name from that word. Whatever the window you want, you can select that name. And at the last, after writing this, you have to write what? Root dot window. So up to here, first everybody will write this code and run this one. It is working or not, check it. So when this window is coming, means everything is working fine. Okay, maximize this by using this one. See, by default the name is ttk bootstrap you are getting. Am I right? On the top you are getting what? ttk bootstrap. So everybody check up to here. Once you run this, then only go with the second one. Okay. Now that ttk bootstrap, that name I don't want. I want to give my own name. So how can I give? I will write root dot title. What is the title we have decided is PR? So whatever I will enter in my double quotation, the title will go on the screen. Let us run and maximize this. See here, are we getting the PR software? So what are the few things we have done up to here, guys? Just how to create the layout, how to give the theme name, and how to create the name. So theme name, guys, as you are practicing very first time, then everybody try to give the different name and check it. So once you are once you practice all this stuff, then you can give the next. Now, if you look at to the window, my window size is very small. I want to make it bigger. So I'll write 500 x 500. Guys, don't get confused. This symbol, this x symbol, normal or x. Now right click and run. Previously my window was very small, but now it is become bigger. So you can increase or decrease the size as per your requirement. Right now I have given what? 500 by 500. Hope it is very clear. Now, next. On this window, if you remember, when I run my project, okay, let me go to my previous project and run this and show you one. Here, what is there? Welcome to PRSO. This is called label. So if I want to give this label, how can I give that label? So to give the label, I told you have to use which function? Label function you have to use. In bracket, you can give text of that label. What is the text I want? Welcome to PR software. So whatever the text you want, guys, there is no problem with the text. Whatever you want, you can write. Now, when I'm creating this label should have some name, because backend we should give some name to that label. So I'm giving here main heading as the name. M underscore heading, nothing but main heading is equals to label. Now, what is the font you want for this label? So let us write here font is equals to In bracket, we have to write Arial. Whatever the font name you want, you can give. There is no problem. And size, you can decide. Let's say I'm giving size as 20. So up to here, it is okay. Let me I'm not adding more like style to this one. Up to here, we'll discuss it. Then M heading dot place. Place means right now, suppose guys, if I run this program, you will say my title is not coming on my screen. Am I getting? No. Why? Because we do not define the place where to place that one. What is the position do you want? So for that reason, what I want here is x-axis 50, y-axis, let us say 50. Now you run it. So when I write this, it means from before W, how much space is there? That is called x-axis. So I give 50, that's why this is 50. You can increase or decrease as per your requirement. From top to your heading, how much space do you want? That you can write as a y-axis. So as per this program, guys, it is looking perfect. If you maximize the window, it looks like this. If you are feeling that window is little small, we can do one thing. We can write here 600 by 600. It will look little more better. Okay, clear with this one? So now you can see my text is white. So we can add little style to this. How can we add here? So there is a property called boot style. What is the property we are having here? Boot style. So let me give here boot style is equals to. Right now I'm keeping default. See, whether I give or don't give, by default it is taking default. Let us check. Spelling mistake here. First once check the error, guys, here. So unknown boot style. Meaning is guys here, I forget to write here tb dot. Because whatever your variable name is, then that you have to use it. tb dot label. Because see, why this error is coming again, I will show you. When I add the boot style, it is a new property is there, which is available in TTK Bootstrap. So that's why that error is coming. You should compulsory make, because normal label, it will come from the Tkinter. Because we are using tb.label, it will become TTK Bootstrap. Okay. Now it will, now see, stay, it is coming white. So now if you have to give some color combination or something, guys, so you can change as success. Success means little gray color will come. Am I right? So like this, what are the colors I can give you? So you will get some question. So that question is nothing but here it is there. That theme which we have opened. Primary means this color, secondary means this, success means this, info means this, warning means this. These are some color, predefined color. You will say, sir, can I give my own color? Yes, that is also in the coming classes. We will discuss. Hope it is clear. So see success in, that's why it is coming green. So you can use this one, or you can keep default whatever you want. So I am keeping this is as this. Now this is one label is complete. What is the label number 2, guys? So label number 2 is nothing but that admission is equals to what was there now? That. So I will write here ADM title. That is called ADM title is equals to again tb.label. You all of you clear? To create that label on the window, we have to write this code. So label is equals to what? Text. What is the text we want? We want first admission number is equals to 1. Title you can give, like so doctor is there. So appointment 1, like this we can write. Then font and this everything we want similar. So I will copy paste this. And if you don't want green, suppose I took their green, here you don't want green. So I told you, you can write what here? Default. Default means white color. Okay, fine. Now the thing is, so where to place this title? So I want to place this title same like x-axis means before my title, how much space we want? I want same line of this heading. So that's why x is 50. But why? From top, how much distance you want? Can I take 50? No, because what will happen? Above my previous heading, I don't want. Below, I want. So here 50 is there, so here you can take 100. So what will happen? It will come below to that. You can check it. Oh, it is not coming, guys. So somewhere we have done the mistake. What is the mistake we have done? See. What I wrote? M heading. M heading is for this one. Here we have to write what heading, guys? Admission title. Because this is heading should come to place that title. Now see below that. So hope it is clear label, these two labels we have created. Last is what guys, I want that button, clickable button. So normally you can take btn button is equals to tb dot button. What is the button text you want? Suppose I want the button text as click me, because in my window it is there, click me. And I'm writing btn dot place. Again, x-axis I will take it 50 only, and y-axis I will take it little 200. This I want so down. That is 100 means already we have taken 50, 100. Either you can take 150 or 200. It is your wish. There is no problem with that. So if I run this code, I will get it one normal button here. But I don't want normal. Do you remember that green color? So if I want to use some predefined thing, then again what? Put style is equals to subsys. So it will become green color. But sir, in my layout, how it was there, inside that color was not there. So why? Because I use one more property of that one. What is that? Comma outline. So now we check it. It is working fine. So like this, you can create the first window. So all the batches student, make sure that everybody you are practicing in a proper way this concept and show this in our classes, so that in the second part, I will tell you how to connect with this one. Make sure that until and unless you are not understanding every step, don't go further. First, create small window, then make it big, give the label one by one, you test it properly so that you can, in a few days, as we are having more 20 days to go. So in that, we will discuss the complete project level things in the classes. Clear with this? So I'm stopping here. Up to here, you practice this concept.